hello. So this is the second recording of me trying to play Subway Surfers, and this time I have someone, this guy.
Hi.
He has a YouTube channel. It's Sam Steer. I'm gonna link it, and let's just get on with it. He's gonna be also. He's playing Pokemon. Wow. Paper Mario. The Wii one. I forgot. Super Paper Mario. That's what he's playing, and he's gonna be talking about it. So.
What? I guess I know.
Okay. You don't. Okay. Okay, start. So, the start of these things are slow. So, I'm not gonna have like a lot of commentary at the start because it's not gonna be that hard. Unless I'd be stupid. I just act stupid for most, but like that, just like that. I'm not gonna do ads because it's boring and I'm not editing at all. So Subway Surfers sounds easy, right? Just slide across the room. But as it gets faster and harder, you're gonna be one of these little items long. Coins are everything. Just like how long you are in the game is everything. Because the more coins you have, the more the more possibilities of like getting ways to do stuff. So like you could get using coins, you can have like, how can I say this? Like different things. So like using these coins, I can go and get. I forgot to. Wait, no. Let me just clean it. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 more games, and I'm gonna talk about a few things, and then we're gonna be done. I better last long here because it's kind of boring to just see someone lose repeatedly at a game that they're good at. I promise you, I'm good at it. I'm just something. So how is your game, Jaden?
It's pretty cool.
Sam Steele?
I'm on Fort Francis.
Fort Francis.
Yeah.
So what's that?
The big lizard guy.
Oh yeah, the big lizard guy.
With all the glasses and the story. It's just kind of cool.
It's cool, I guess. Yeah. So while he's doing that, I'm playing Subway Surfers. We just got this game today. It was for his birthday, but stuff happened. We had to get it today. So yeah, let's leave it. So yeah, I'm actually lasting long. One of these. So these are like, just take the jumps. Always jump on these because they have the most what's it called? They have the most like leverage. You get more coins basically. Oh, Jesus Christ! Where did I get hit by it? Let's go middle. This just speaks for itself, basically. Just do whatever randomized thing it tells you. Okay, so this is the last round, and then I'm gonna talk about Subway Surfers a little bit more, and we're done. But while we're doing that, I'm gonna have Jaden talk more. Keep calling him Jaden. That was his old channel. So So we're gonna keep calling. We're gonna we're gonna talk about Jaden. Jesus. We're gonna talk about Sam's tier more. So, yeah. And so, Jaden, what are you playing? We know what you're playing, but like, how far are you in the game, basically?
I'm at Fort Francis.
Fort Francis. So what is it like? Do you really like Fort Francis? Like, is it like?
It's alright.
Is there like kind of different worlds, or like is it like a regular Mario game?
Yeah, I just died right now.
What happens when you die?
You're sent back
To the overworld?
no, you're sent back to the main menu.
Oh,
Maybe we'll get over.
yeah. So if that is so, like, what is the main menu? I'm just asking that.
Well, it's the thing where you can choose your save file with all the characters on it. It's
Yeah. Now we're gonna go over here, like into this 1, 2, 3. I don't know who these are. These are just things that happen. No, okay. Yeah, I'm looking for it. This is me in the top one. I'm in bronze, and I don't like it. I was in silver the last time I played, but I had to reset my thing, so now I'm in bronze.